Hi guys, how you doing? Out and about today. So I've actually joined a litter picker group, Plympton litter picker group, and I'm off to meet them today for the first time. And we're going to do well, litter picking mainly, and McDonald's in the area are giving us all free lunches, so that would be nice. See you soon. It's a bit choppy today, but I think it's going to be nice. It's a beautiful day at Sainsbury's, the local big supermarket. But anyway, I might do videos throughout the day, I might not. We'll see how it goes. Yeah. I forgot my line. I'll cut that bit out. So I'm out with a group today doing the litter picking, and there's actually about 30 people altogether that's spread out, but I'll try and take videos and footage as I go along.